Good morning children. How are you? Yes, we have already completed our second lesson in social. What's the name of the lesson children? Yes, globe, the model of the earth. What is the lesson name? Globe, the model of the earth. So we have completed this lesson, right? Yes, today we are going to learn the hard words from this lesson. Okay children, so you have to say along with me and open your rough book and write each one 2 times or 3 times in your rough book. Clear children? Yes. First Roman, hard words. See the first one, latitudes. Latitudes. What is the spelling children? Latitudes. L-A-T-I-T-U-D-E-S. Latitudes. L-A-T-I-T-U-D-E-S. Latitudes. Okay. Next one, longitudes. Longitudes. L-O-N-G-I-T-U-D-E-S. Longitudes. L-O-N-G-I-T-U-D-E-S. Longitudes. L-O-N-G-I-T-U-D-E-S. Longitudes. Next one, horizontal. 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 H-O-R-I-Z-O-N-T-A-L. Horizontal. H-O-R-I-Z-O-N-T-A-L. Horizontal. H-O-R-I-Z-O-N-T-A-L. Horizontal. Next one, vertical. Vertical. V-E-R-T-I-C-A-L. Vertical. V-E-R-T-I-C-A-L. Vertical. Next one, continents. 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 C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T-S. Continents. C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T-S. Continents. C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T-S. Continents. Next one, North America. North America. North America. N-O-R-T-H North. A-M-E-R-I-C-A. America. North America. N-O-R-T-H North. A-M-E-R-I-C-A. America. North America. N-O-R-T-H North. A-M-E-R-I-C-A. America. North America. Next one, Australia. 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 A-U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A. Australia. A-U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A. Australia. A-U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A. Australia. Next one, Africa. Africa. A-F-R-I-C-A. Africa. A-F-R-I-C-A. Africa. A-F-R-I-C-A. Africa. Next one, Europe. Europe. E-U-R-O-P-E. Europe. E-U-R-O-P-E. Europe. E-U-R-O-P-E. Europe. Next, Antarctica. 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 Next, Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Pacific. Pacific. Ocean. Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Pacific. Pacific. Ocean. Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic. Atlantic. Ocean. Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic. Ocean. Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Directions. 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 Compass. 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 Difficult. 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 Imaginary. 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 Equator. 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 Calculating. 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 Smallest. 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 Largest. 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 Okay, these are the 20 hard words from this lesson. Shall I repeat again? Yes. First one, latitudes. 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 Longitudes. 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 Horizontal. 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 Vertical. 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 Continents. 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 North America. North America. North. North. America. America. North America. North. North. America. North America. Australia. 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 Africa. 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 Europe. 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 Antarctica. 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 Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Pacific. Pacific. Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Pacific. Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic. Atlantic. Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic. Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Directions. 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 Compass. 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 Difficult. 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 Imaginary. 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 Next one. Equator. 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 Next. Calculating. 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 Smallest. 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 Largest. Largest. So these are the hard words from this lesson. Let's move into the next problem, that is true or false. What's the next problem, children? Yes, true or false. Okay, see the first one. So true means everyone know that if the given statement is correct, you have to write true. If the given statement statement or if the given sentence is false, wrong, you have to write false. Let's learn first one. The blue colored parts on the globe are water bodies. Okay, children, see the sentence. The blue colored parts on the globe are water bodies. Mainly on the globe, what are the two colors? How many colors you observe on the globe, children? Mainly, yes, there are two colors. There are two colors on the globe, right? And what are the two colors? One is yellow and the other one is blue. One is yellow and the other one is blue. So the yellow color indicates what the yellow color shows on the globe. The yellow color shows the landforms. And blue color indicates water bodies. So you learn these points in the lesson. Two colors on the globe. What are the two colors? One is yellow and the other one is blue. And the yellow color indicates the landforms and the blue color water bodies. Now see the sentence, given sentence. The blue colored parts on the globe are water bodies. Is it correct or wrong? Yes, true. Because the blue color on the globe indicates or shows water bodies. So that's why the given statement is correct. So you have to write true. T. Simply you can write the first letter in true. T. See the question. The blue colored parts on the globe are water bodies. True. Let's move to the next one. Africa is the largest continent. See the question. Africa is the largest continent. Actually, what is continent? Continents are nothing but large landforms. Large landforms are called continents. And how many continents you have learned, children? There are 7 continents. How many continents you have learned? 7 continents. What are the 7 continents? Tell me. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica and Australia. So these are the 7 continents you learn. And which one is the largest continent, children? Which one is the largest continent? Yes, Asia is the largest continent. So Asia is the largest continent. But here in the given sentence, Africa is the largest continent. So the given sentence is wrong. You have learned that Asia is the largest continent. But here Africa is the largest continent given. So that's why it is wrong. So you have to write false. And what is the first letter in false? F. So the given statement is not correct. See the question again. Africa is the largest continent. False. Next. The Pacific is the largest ocean. First of all, what is an ocean? What are called oceans? Large water bodies. Already you have learned that on the earth there are 2 main forms. One is land and the other one is water. So land forms are called continents and large water bodies are called oceans. And how many oceans you learn, children? There are 5 oceans. How many oceans are there on the earth? There are 5 oceans. And what are the 5 oceans? Can you tell me? The first one is Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean and the last one is Arctic Ocean. So among all the 5 oceans, which is the largest ocean you have learned? Pacific Ocean. Why largest ocean. The same thing you have learned in the lesson. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. So the given sentence correct or wrong? Yes, correct. The given statement or given sentence is correct and you have to write true. T. Next, fourth one. The bottom. The bottom of a map always points to the south. See, the bottom of a map always points to the south. What's the question, children? The bottom of a map always points to the south. And what are the four directions you learned, children? What are the four directions? While you are locating or while you see the places on the map, with the help of four directions, you can see the places on the map. With the help of four directions. What are the four directions? Four directions you have learned. First one, the top of the map. The top of the map is called north and its bottom is south, and towards the left is west and towards the right is called east. These are the four directions you have learned. What are the four directions? One is north and the other one is south, and towards the left is west and towards the right is east. So north at the top and south at the bottom. And now see the question. The bottom of a map always points to the south. So always points. So this is the bottom of the map and bottom of the map shows south. So the given sentence is correct. So you have to write true. What's the answer, children? Yes, true. Okay. The bottom of a map always points to the south. So the given statement is correct. Let's move to the last one, fifth one. We can know the directions on a map with the help of a compass. The help of a compass. See the question again. We can know the directions on a map with the help of a compass. In the previous video, I showed what is a map. On the map, you find a small watch-like structure, round shaped instrument that is called compass. And the compass have all the four directions: north, south, east and west. So on every map you will find this compass, and with the help of this compass we can locate or we can see the places on the map very easily. On the compass it shows the directions: north, south, west and east. And these are the four directions which we can see on a compass. And a compass is placed on every map. So with the help of this compass, we can easily see or we can easily locate the places on a map. So once see the question, we can know the directions on a map with the help of a compass. So the given statement is correct. On every map, you will see a compass. You will see compass on every map. And with the help of that compass, we can easily find the directions on a map. Clear, children? So once again, I will repeat all the questions. The first one is the blue colored parts. The blue colored parts on the globe or water bodies. Yes, the given statement correct and true. Africa is the largest continent. Africa is the largest continent. But because it is not correct, because Asia is the largest continent, but here Africa is given. That's why it is wrong and false. The Pacific is the largest ocean. Yes, true. The bottom of a map always points to the south. True. We can know the directions on a map with the help of a compass. True. So these are the hard words and true or false in this lesson. Still 2 more Romans are left in the lesson. We will discuss in the next video. Thank you.